Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to split audio in Audacity. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Audacity application. After you open your application, simply open the audio file where you want to split some part and it will look something like this. Now, what you'll have to do is simply select the part that you want to split, and after selecting that part, you can right click and click on Split Clip. Now you will see that your clip has been splitted. You can simply take the top part of the audio and move it anywhere you want. You can select the clip and click on delete or cut, and that part will be removed. Now select a clip again and press delete, and that part will be deleted. Select a part again, go to edit, click on remove special and click on split delete. After you click on split delete, that part will be splitted and deleted from your audio automatically. So that's the simple way you can split your audio in Audacity. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And thanks for watching.